everyone, today's video is going to be a lip swatch video for the entire range of Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipsticks. I have the entire range and I'm going to show you exactly how they look on my lips. To give you a general summary of these lipsticks, there's a ton of colors in the range, but they vary from very, very nude to very vampy, like what I'm wearing right now. There are a few pops of color. There is a bright red and a few like hot pinks that complete the collection, but overall you're gonna find that they're mostly on both ends of the spectrum. I'm convinced that there is a nude for every single person in this range, as well as a deep color for every single person. So if you've been struggling to find your perfect color in either one of these shade ranges, you might want to take a look at this collection. The entire range of shades is this creamy, soft texture. It's really easy to apply, but they are not a matte lip. I know we're all in this big matte lip fad right now, but these are more of a cream texture. Each shade had complete opaque coverage, which was surprising for nudes. I usually find that nudes have some sort of translucency to them. These were not. These were completely opaque. Review out of the way, let's dive right into the shades. Alright, that's going to be it for the entire lip swatch video of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Lip Splash lipsticks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!